Totoo ba na kahit wala kang experience sa solar, pwede kang maging expert in just 2 days? Karamihan kasi, pag sinabi nila, career in energy, kailangan engineer ka or may experience ka. Or kung hindi naman, malaki ang iyong puhunan. Pero, ito yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. Opportunities in solar are opening faster than most industries. At kung hindi ka nag-pay attention, baka maunahan ka. According to the Department of Energy, by 2030, dapat 35% ay manggagaling sa renewable energy and 50% by 2040. At doon papasok ang job sa solar. That means thousands of new jobs every year. From sales to installation, project management, logistics, marketing, at syempre, engineering. At hindi lang ito sa Maynila. Demand is exploding kahit nasa probinsya ka. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng career na may security, growth at purpose, solar isn't just a job. It's your future. So train with us dito sa PhilSolar. We are the top solar training academy here in the Philippines. Click the link in the description para malaman mo ang available schedule para sa iyo.